Hello children, in this video we are going to learn a new lesson from 6th standard English, term 3, unit 1, supplementary reader, A Childhood in Malabar, written by Kamala Das, okay? And she is a Kerala writer, okay? And this story is about an incident really happened in Kamala Das' life, okay children? And she is narrating this story as well. So, children, what does mean by narrating? Narrating means a person who tells us a story. The person is called narrator. Okay. Then, who is the narrator here? Yes, the writer Kamala Das. Okay. So, let's move to the story now. It was someone's birthday at Ambarathal. I am not sure whose the day there was a cyclone. Okay. So who is telling us the story? Yes, the writer Kamala Das. Okay. And it was someone's birthday at Ambarathal. Ambarathal means the name of the family. Okay. And the family la யாருக்கோ ஒருத்தருக்கு birthday. Okay. I am not sure whose யாருடைய birthday தெரியல. But there was a cyclone. Cyclone means புயல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. That is called a cyclone. Okay. Yetan, my elder brother, and I were invited to the feast there that day. Okay. Me and my elder brother. Okay. Yetan means elder brother. These two people were invited for the feast. Okay. To celebrate the birthday party. Malati Kutti, she is a small girl, took us to the serpent shrine before lunch. Serpent shrine means நம்ம பாம்பு புத்துன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, that is called a serpent shrine. Okay. So Malati Kutti took them there to show them something. Okay, before lunch. We watched Meenakshi Adati setting our turmeric milk bananas for the snakes. Okay, Meenakshi Adati, she is a character involved in this story. Okay, Meenakshi Adati, she's an important character. And Yadathina, akka அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, so she was doing something around serpent shrine because she was arranging turmeric, milk, bananas, and for snakes. She was arranging turmeric, manjal, milk, and bananas. She's arranging all these things for snakes around the serpent shrine. Okay. Who were watching this? Yes, Kamala Das, Yetan, and Malati Kutti. These three people were watching them. Meenakshi Adati was a distant relative of Ambarathal family. Being poor, she was dependent on their generosity. Okay, actually Meenakshi Adati was a distant relative for the Ambarathal family. Ambarathal family க்கு வந்து ஒரு distance relative தான் யாருன்னா Meenakshi Adati. Okay, she looks being poor, she was dependent on their family. As she is very poor, she depends on Ambarathal family. Okay, that's where she lives with. She was dark-skinned and middle-aged. Okay, she looks a little bit dull. She looks a little bit black. Okay, dark skin na கொஞ்சம் கருப்பா இருப்பாங்க, கொஞ்சம் middle age na 30 plus like that. Okay, she spent her time rushing around the house and compound, never stopping to rest. Her face perpetually wearing an expression that asked for forgiveness. Okay, so she is the only woman who is doing all the work at Ambarathal family. Okay, and she never takes rest. She's always working. She's always roaming around the house to do all the work. Okay, so she never takes rest. She's doing her work continuously without stopping. Okay, her face looks like forgiveness. When you look at her face, it looks very innocent, and it looks like asking forgiveness. பார்க்கறது பாவமா இருக்கும், பார்க்கறதுக்கு அப்படியே ஒரு எப்பயுமே பிஸியா இருக்கிற மாதிரியே அவங்களுடைய ஃபேஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகே, she had only certain trivial duties to perform, like welcoming the oracle with an offering of paddy when he came in a procession, lighting all the lamps at dusk, churning the curd and taking out the butter for the children, and drawing designs with rice batter on the door on the day of the Neera festival. Okay, I told you already. Meenakshi Adati, she is the only woman who is doing all the work at home, isn't it? And what other work she is doing is, she's doing a lot of work like welcoming the oracle with an offering paddy. Okay, she's the only one who is gathering paddy, and she only knows how much should be boiled, how much paddy should be boiled for rice for the family. Okay, and lighting all the lamps at dusk. evening, duskna evening அர்த்தம். So she's the only one who is lighting all the lamps at the house in the dusk. Okay. Churning கிடையிறது. Churning the curd and taking out the butter of the butter for the children. So she's taking out the butter from the curd. Okay, she's doing works like this and drawing designs with rice batter on the door on the day of the Neera festival. On the Neera festival, she's drawing a lot on the doors, on the floors, and in front of the house. So she's decorating the house in the Neera festival. There were innumerable servants to carry out all the other tasks. Okay. However, the family could not have existed happily for a single day without Meenakshi Adathi. Okay, there are a lot of workers at Ambarathal family, but Meenakshi Adathi is the only woman who is taking care of all the works. Okay. And the Ambaratha family could not have existed, could not have lived happily for a single day without Meenakshi Adathi. Meenakshi Adathi இல்லாம அந்த ஃபேமிலியால ஒரு நாள் கூட சந்தோஷமா இருக்க முடியாது. Because she feels like she's part of the family. She feels like a part of the family. Okay. She was the only one who knew how much paddy should be boiled each time to make enough rice for the family, for the household. Okay, I told you already, Meenakshi is the only woman who knows how much paddy should be boiled to make rice for the family, and how many mundus had been given to the washerman or when to give the children a purgative. Okay, so she's the only one who knows how many mundas. Mundus means it's a kind of cloth, okay, which is usually Malayalis usually wear this cloth. Okay, and she only knows how many mundas should be given to the washermans, and she only knows how to take care of the children, when to give medicine to them. Okay, so she only knows. What it tells us is because she's the only woman who is taking care of the entire family. Okay, so that's what the message tells us. Okay, why isn't the snake coming? I asked. I means what? Who refers to I? Yes, the narrator Kamala Das. Kamala Das is asking, why the snake is not coming out? ஏன் நம்ம மஞ்சள் வச்சிருக்கிறோம், பழம் வச்சிருக்கிறோம், why it's not coming out? மில்க்லாம் வச்சிருக்கிறோம், ஏன் வெளியே வரல அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. யார் கேட்குறது? கமலதாஸ். Snakes never come out when human beings are watching. Child. Meenakshi Chatterjee says that if the snakes will not come out, never come out when human beings are watching it. ஓகே, யாருன்னா மனுஷங்க பார்த்துட்டு பாம்புங்க வெளியே வராது. ஓகே, பிகாஸ் தே ஹாவ் ஷை கேரக்டர் அண்ட் த பிளாக் கிருஷ்ண சப்ரம் will glide out as soon as we go away, said Meenakshi Adathi. Okay, if we leave this place, the snake will come out, will drink the milk, will eat the fruits and everything. Who says? Meenakshi Adathi. I began to feel sleepy after lunch. Malathi Kuti came back with us to Nalapat. Barely an hour after we got home, we heard the sound of the gale. Okay, after that lunch, Meenakshi Adathi, Kamala Das felt sleepy. Malathi Kuti, she was a small girl who was also with Kamala Das, and both went to Nalapat. That is the name of the village. Okay, barely an hour after we got home, we heard the sound of the gale. After ஒரு மணி நேரம் கூட ஆகல, அதெல்லாங்காட்டியும் they heard some noise. Gale means cyclone. Okay, thunder, rain. Okay, so she could hear everything. The wind tore through the coconut palms in the southern compound with a frightening roar. Okay, so the wind is pouring everywhere. Okay, so the coconut palm in the southern compound with a frightening roar. The hair is making sound like thunder, like roar. Okay, the dry leaves that had collected around the pond swelled upwards belligerently. Okay, branches shook. The seat of the swing that hung from the lilanji tree fell down. Okay, what it shows is means the thunder, the cyclone has arrived there. Okay, in the நலப்பேட்டுன்ற ஒரு ஊரில் அந்த சைக்ளோன் வர ஆரம்பிச்சிடுச்சு. ஓகே, காற்றுலாம் பயங்கரமாக அடிக்குது, வீட்டில் ஃபுல்லாக அடிக்குது, தென்னை மரத்துலலாம் காற்று பயங்கரமாக அடிக்குது, அப்படியே பயம்படுத்துகிற மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஓகே, தட்ஸ் வாட் த மெசேஜ் சேஸ். ஓகே, த branches from the trees fell down. Okay, and the seat which was hanging from the ட்ரீ ஃபெல் டவுன். ஓகே. எல்லாமே உடைக்குது. பயங்கரமா காத்து அடிக்குது. மரம்லாம் பயங்கரமா சாயுது. ஓகே. So let's continue this story in the next video.